Hi all, hope you are doing good. Thanks for a overwhelming response on the previous video which got around 131 views and hardly 17 likes. That is really a great number for a budding channel like us. And this is a continuation video from previous. If you haven't watched the video already, you can click on the suggestion which is popping up. It's the same day. Here we are just passing through Clarke Quay as I was previously mentioning. We are going to Merlion and this could be one route if you want to explore the local shops of Singapore. You will find some restaurants in Clarke Quay, but if it is a day, then most of the restaurants are closed. This place you can try some Indian restaurants. But we were sticking to basic restaurants. We haven't explored any of these restaurants. The buildings of Singapore are so massive, it makes you feel like that you are not in Asia. Here you could see big banks, UOB, Standard Chartered Bank. Everything is connected in Singapore. You don't even need a cab to explore these places. You can walk all the way around from like how we were doing from the hotel to Merlion, and even this video it is about Merlion. We will show another video where we were going to Gardens by the Bay, Marina Bay. No, sorry, Marina Bay will be in this video. I mean not in this video, but it will be a continuation of this video. This is Fullerton Hotel. The architecture is mind-blowing. You can get picturesque selfies and even photos here. Even we could see some people who are taking some photos and selfies in front of the building. The roads of Singapore has ERP, which is electronic road pricing. This is used to manage road congestion in Singapore. The cost of ERP in Singapore ranges from 0.5 to 4 per trip. Dollar, I mean Singapore dollar. It depends on the day and location. And finally we are about to reach Merlion. Today means that day it was holiday. So you could see many crowds over there. Moreover, it is one such destination which is entry free, and if you want to show the world that you are in Singapore, this is a must visit. You could get some amazing views from the Merlion. But don't try any eateries near to Merlion, it will be very costly. This do have a light setup over the evening. This is Marina Bay. That Lotus Art Science Museum, we will show it in the next video along with Marina Bay.